Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face? That was me a few months ago. I kept seeing creators earning money with faceless videos, and I wondered, can this really work? And more importantly, how do you even get started if you're a complete beginner? Well, I decided to figure it out. And today, I'm breaking it all down for you, step by step. Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. If you've been thinking about launching a faceless YouTube channel, but don't know where to begin, this video is going to give you the exact roadmap I wish I had. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step is picking a niche. You can't just post random videos and expect YouTube to recommend your content. Faceless channels work best when they stick to one clear theme, like personal finance, tech reviews, educational explainers, or motivational stories. Ask yourself, what topics are people already searching for? What can you create videos about without needing to appear on camera? I personally chose finance and side hustles because I already loved learning about money. Step 2. Decide your content style. Faceless videos come in many forms. You could do slideshow videos with stock images, stock footage compilations with voiceover, animated explainers, screen recordings with narration. You don't need fancy tools, but you do need to pick one style and stick to it. I chose stock footage with voiceover because it felt professional without needing animation skills. Step 3. Write a script. Don't skip this. Here's the mistake I made early on. I tried to wing it without a script. Result? My videos were messy, rambly, and hard to follow. Writing a clear script before recording saves time, improves pacing, and makes editing easier. Each video should have a strong hook, main points organized, a clear call to action at the end. Step 4. Record or generate a voiceover. Since you're not showing your face, your voice carries the video. You have two options: record your own voice or use an AI voice generator. At first, I used AI voices, like Brian and Emma from 11 Labs. Later, I switched to my own voice to make the videos feel more personal. Either way works, but test and see what fits your audience. Step 5. Gather visuals. For faceless videos, visuals matter a lot. You can use free stock videos from sites like Pexels or Pixabay, paid stock libraries like Storyblocks or Envato, or an AI video editor like Pictory, which pulls visuals for you. Don't overcomplicate visuals. Pick one strong clip per idea and let it breathe. Constantly switching clips every second can be distracting. Step 6. Edit the video. Editing brings everything together. Cut out awkward pauses, sync visuals with the voiceover, add captions if possible. You don't need Adobe Premiere. You can start with free tools like CapCut, Canva Video, or Pictory itself. Step 7. Create a clickable title and thumbnail. No matter how good your video is, No one will watch it if they don't click. Your title and thumbnail need to create curiosity without being clickbait. Use clear, bold text. Include a human element or relatable visual. Make sure the text fits inside the safe zone on mobile. Step 8. Upload and optimize. When you upload, fill out the description with keywords naturally. Add tags that match your niche. And always pick the right category. For faceless channels, it's usually education or how-to. Organize videos into playlists from day one. This helps YouTube understand your channel's theme. Final thoughts. Starting a faceless YouTube channel takes effort. It's not instant passive income. But if you stay consistent, post valuable videos, and improve a little with each upload, it builds over time. Don't overthink being perfect. Just start. Your first video won't be your best, but it will be better than nothing. Thank you all for watching. If this video gave you a roadmap, hit that subscribe button and let's build your financially smart mind together. Drop a comment below. What niche would you choose for a faceless YouTube channel?